Today we talk about how can you find your library on your NovelToon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on library down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here. Then here you find all library you have. So like you see here, I have nothing in my library yet, but if you have any of your reasons here, can you find it in this list on your NovelToon app? So that's all you have to do. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.